Welcome back. Last fall, we planted some wagon wheels of sugarcane, like Danny does over at Deep South Homestead. And I thought, hey, you know, the sugarcane's really growing now. We've got a lot of heat, we've got a lot of rain, and they're just taking off. And I thought, hey, let's do an update video so you can see what it looks like when you plant these really cool wagon wheels.
I'm cranking up the bass and baby, and you can't drop me. Ooh, sugar pie. Ooh, sugar pie.
As you can see, my daughter has been cutting sugarcane already. She sells cuttings in her Etsy store. So this one has been a little bit harvested. Let's come over here and take a look. Here is a nice ring right here of sugarcane. It's not bad. If we come over here, you can see another smaller ring of cane. This one was more of a half oval of cane. But if we walk around to this back edge of the food forest, you can really see what can be done with these. And I think they actually look pretty enough that you could easily fit them into your landscaping at the edge of a yard where you might not think you could grow sugarcane, but they're quite attractive. Look at these canes. Aren't these beautiful? Those we just stuck in there. But these over here are rings. And after a little bit of wind we got from the hurricane that came through, they're a little bit smushed over, but they're still really pretty looking. I love how they look like bamboo, but they're not invasive. They don't really spread. They come back from the ground year after year. So when you put them in, you can get canes year after year. You can grow them all the way from about zone 7 all the way to the equator. It's actually much more versatile than most people think. And there's varieties ranging from red to black to yellow, even white varieties. And then like this one here, this one is almost white. It's actually got a greenish white cane on it. Very pretty. But if you just had a little corner or pocket, edge of the yard or something like that, you put some wagon wheels in, you could get these nice little circles of sugarcane, and hopefully they don't get blown over by a storm, but I still think they look pretty. They just have this wild, pretty look to them, and that structural look of the canes is really cool. Very, very easy to grow, very low demand, and you get canes every fall that you can cut, and you can make your own cane syrup, and you can just chew them on warm days and have fun. Pretty much we can cut some cane now and again anytime after about August. The canes are big enough. The tops all freeze off if we wait too long. So we harvest them before the freezes and process them down however we want to. And then they grow back again. In the spring, we get new canes by the next fall. And this does this for years. You can plant canes in rows, you can plant them in wagon wheels, or you can just tuck them in here and there wherever you have space. We've done that too, but I like the way the wagon wheels look. I like the circular planting method of just having kind of a clump of canes coming up. It's pretty, it's easy to do, it's a little different, kind of has a little bit more of a edible landscaping look than a plantation of cane look. So anyhow, thanks for joining me. If you're interested in putting a food forest in your yard, we are doing a food forest challenge. I'll put a link to that below. Everybody that joins my group before Halloween, we're trying to get a put your food forest in by Halloween challenge going right now, and we've got probably about 25 people that are engaged with it right now, and we are posting pictures and I'm sharing directly with people, and you get the food forest course for free when you sign up. So I hope to see you over there, and if you don't have any cane, hey, plant some. It's a lot of fun. Catch you next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.